Coach Raph here, and I'm going to give you an inside look to who I am. So I started my journey way back in high school. I used to be the fat kid. One summer I decided that enough was enough and I lost 60 pounds, and I had one person ask me, can you train me? And that's when it clicked in and I became a coach. Ever since then, I've been in this industry for about 8 years. I've done everything from kettlebell training to mobility to rehab to performance, athletes, and everyday moms just lifting heavy shit, which is great. And if you want to find out more about me, you can check out my Instagram. I post on there every single day, at least twice a day, with some sort of nutritional info, some exercise you should be doing and adding into your program. I also have an amazing podcast called Cut the Shit, Get Fit, where I interview all the people I look up to and get their take on weight loss, health, and nutrition. So go, click, subscribe, and that's it.